Press search. Select Instacode IC card and enter 6-8-8. Press search. Check if the original standard key can work well. It is 5-cut key, so please choose 5. Press decode to enter decoding page. Press round off and then decode button. It is 3.5 mm key clamp, please adjust key clamp correspondingly. Fix the original key on key clamp. Please pay attention how to fix. Press the picture and start decoding. Take away the original key and fix a new key blank. Press cut button to enter cutting page. Choose normal speed and press cut button. Please pay attention how to fix. Start cutting. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp and new key. Take out the new key. Now, you can have a try if the new key works or not.